everybody, I'm so excited to present to you a brand new system that I joined yesterday and already seeing results. This is called the Profit Machine, and behind it there is two big affiliate marketers, Thomas Garetz and Jonathan Montoya, who together has over 1 million followers across the social network. This is a brand new system. Two huge marketers are behind it. It's ideal for beginners and there is no software needed. This is how it looks like when you go inside, but let me first present you who are Thomas Garetz and Jonathan Montoya. Thomas Garetz is a great YouTuber that is in the make money online niche. As you can see, he has almost 500,000 subscribers. He has a huge community, and also he has some courses with thousands of students that are successful in what he teaches. Jonathan Montoya also was an electrical engineer, and he quit his job 4 years ago and is making over $1 million online, and he also has a course and thousands of students behind that course. Huge marketers did this product to help beginners with no software to just begin earning money online. Let me show you the Profit Machine pricing. At this moment there is a $1 trial for 7 days. After that it is $37 a month. You need to pay that $37 a month unless you pay a lifetime license, which is currently priced at $147. Why you need to pay $37 a month? If you want to get paid your commissions, you need to pay a monthly fee, which is probably to cover the Thomas and Jonathan's costs of making everything work. Then there is an upsell after you go to the step 2. I will show you, which is $27, which is a very useful PDF containing solo ads vendor. Solo ad is people who has huge email lists. You buy that clicks from that email list for some 30, 40, 50 cents per click. And this is a paid traffic source that they are teaching you how to do. Those links in the PDF are from Udemy, and the Profit Machine itself is teaching a traffic for me method, which they show you in the step 4. Also in the PDF you have a huge 180-day email swipes, which are pretty general and you can promote anything with it. So you get like a half of year of free emails, not free, for $27. So it's basically worth it. And what is the 247 supercharge? I will show that later. It's basically bumping up the commissions. When you buy a $1 trial, and you can get it from the link in the description, you will go through 4 steps to set everything up. The second step is supercharge, and it's totally optional. So the first step is to join the private Facebook group, which is inside here. In the Facebook group there are guides and stuff, and Jonathan and Garetz are very active, and you can see the sales, and as you can see, this is a brand new program. So it started 3 days ago, and already people are showing proof of the income. For example, Sean earned $53, and the next day 180, and Yuvrai, sorry if I pronounced this wrong, has earned $240. So when you finish step 1, the step 2 is optional. It's a supercharge. I will explain that when I will talk about commissions, or I can do it right now. This is the Profit Machine commission system. When you have $1 trial plus $37 a month, or if you get a lifetime access but you don't supercharge, the commissions is 30% on the Profit Machine system plus 10% tier 2. So if you refer a new Profit Machine system affiliate, you get plus 10% on whatever he earns from his referrals. But if you supercharge for one time at $247, your commission for you is bumped to 40%, plus tier 2 is 20%, and the tier 3 is 10%, so altogether 70%. So you are earning money from your referrals, from your referrals, and from your referrals. So it's very cool. So that is step 2. You can supercharge for $2.47, but this is optional. You don't have to do that to start promoting and to start the system. In step 3, basically you will go into the first promoter system and become an affiliate of this system. So you will promote the profit machine. And the step 4 is the send traffic step, which is actually teaching you how to send traffic. This method that they are teaching you is not free, so you need to pay for traffic. As you can see, this is the system that they are suggesting you use to buy clicks. The first batch of clicks I bought for $250, you get 500 premium email traffic. People who bought 200 clicks got covered. I suggest you buy premium email traffic because more than 80% of the visitors will come from the top 5 countries, because you want people to come which could afford the $37 per month. So if you refer 4 people, and I think that from 200 clicks or 500 clicks you will refer 4 people, you will cover the $37 a month. But after that people will have to pay $37 a month, of course, if they don't buy a lifetime. But if they buy a lifetime, you will get a bigger commission. So I think it's worth it. And of course, you need to stay in for a month, 2 or 3 months to get like 20, 30 people paying you $37 a month. Of course, if you have your own email list or your own free traffic source, you can use that. I plan to start testing this offer with free short form content on Instagram, YouTube Shorts or TikTok and see how that goes. I already prepared an email to go to my own email list, but to make results quicker, you can buy this set of clicks. Of course, if you pay $27 for the PDF, you will get their vendors from Udemy, where you can buy 50 clicks if you don't have money, and you can buy, I don't know, 3 times 50 clicks, and if you get 3, 4, 5 people to join the system, you will get the money to buy more clicks, and it just compounds. The pros, like I said, the system is very easy for beginners. There is nothing to set up. There is no software. There is no learning curve. You just go through these 4 steps and the traffic comes and it goes in. One of the maybe cons is it looks like a multi-level marketing system, which in a way it is. If you buy a supercharge, they will also have a course, like affiliate marketing course, where you can promote other products and learn, and they will give you the done-for-you funnels inside, so you can promote other things and go out of this profit machine. Share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about this? I think it's a great way to start making money online with a very simple system. If you like it, get it in the description. It is the first link